Hi, in this video I'm gonna be replacing engine air filter on 2012 Dodge Charger. This is gonna apply to Dodge Chargers made from 2011 and all the way up to 2023. Engine air filter on this vehicle is located on the driver's side, right under this air box, next to the coolant expansion tank. The only tool that you're gonna use to remove this box and replace air filter is a cross or Phillips screwdriver to remove 3 screws, which are located here, here and here. Once when you have these 3 screws removed, you will just have to kind of lift this air box a little bit and then pull it towards yourself, because you want to release those tabs in the back. Try to wiggle it up a little bit and that's it. Now we have access to engine air filter and you can replace it. So this is my old and dirty engine air filter. I'm gonna be replacing with a brand new one. So always want to make sure that your air box is clean, so if you have some dirt debris inside, it's a good idea to vacuum it out and clean it up before installing new air filter. Now when the air box is cleaned up and vacuumed, you can install your new air filter. Make sure it's properly aligned and it sits inside nicely. Now you can attach those plastic tabs in the holes. You can kind of lift it up a little bit. Make sure they are inside. And now we'll just have to put back those 3 screws. Now I put all these 3 screws back. Everything is closed up and now job is completed. Thanks for watching.